Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to use Patreon as a writer in basically whenever you would like to go with a writer point of view. You are going to be of course publishing different kind of books, maybe it could be novels, articles, whatsoever. So the process is actually pretty simple. First of all, you're going to be heading over to patreon.com. so there are two different dashboards, writer and member, and you get both of them once you simply sign into the platform. So simply head over to the very first link and click on this get started option. Make sure to continue with Google, Apple, or your Facebook ID. Once you sign into the platform, it is going to be looking something like this. You can see we are currently on members dashboard. I'm going to be switching to my creator one, where you can create different type of plans related to your Patreon, whatever you would like to post. So here, as you can see, currently I have my membership created. We can add different tiers. You can add information about whatever you would like to post in this plan. So let's just say that your tier is going to be personal blogs, right? And then of course you're a writer, so you can simply add your monthly price. It is gonna be maybe $15 or maybe $10. And then we have our description. You can write in here description. You can get my custom blogs, so anything like that. Make sure to write it a bit long so it is more descriptive and informative. You have your cover image. You can add anything in here. Of course, if you are a writer, you're going to be choosing something related to that stuff. And yeah, so add anything that sounds or looks good, and maybe let's just add this for now for some reason. And you can see we have add benefits. You can add different type of benefits in this section. You can create and add, let's just say it is gonna be custom benefit or ad free and stuff like that. You can have your title and category. And yeah, so basically that's how you can join Patreon as a writer. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends.